Wait till you see this private oasis, this pool in the backyard, unbelievable. Welcome to my new listing here at 571 Wheeler Road in Monroe, Connecticut. It was last summer when I sold Leslie's dad's house in Trumbull. I'm really happy that they called me because now they're ready to sell their house in Monroe. She must have thought I did a really good job selling her dad's house. This house is on over 2 acres of land. It's just so tranquil and wooded and green and lush. It's just amazing. So if you're into nature, I mean, this house is absolutely for you. It's conveniently located. It's close to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways. One of the things when I was talking to Leslie and Mike about this property, they said that the privacy and the tranquility of this home is really what attracted them to it. Wait till you see the gazebo too. But come on, let's go inside and check this house out. Wow, look at this great room. It's awesome. I mean, yesterday it was like 95 degrees outside, and now today it's like 60 degrees and it's raining, but it's beautiful because I'm standing here. The doors and the windows are open, and I hear the rain dropping. It's just beautiful. I love the vibe in this room too, but I could also picture this room being contemporary or Scandinavian or farmhouse. Well, the fireplace is beautiful with that whitewash. You know, if you're looking for peace or tranquility, this is the house. I mean, I'm just sitting here listening to the raindrops, but I can also envision it in the wintertime and just the snow outside. It's just so beautiful and tranquil here. You know, so I'm coming out of the family room. Here's your laundry room, half bath, and then you've got an office / den right here as well as I'm walking into the kitchen. Kind of an open layout, living room, dining room, kitchen area. It's beautiful. I mean, cherry kitchen cabinets, beautiful white glass tile backsplashes, tile floor with a beautiful inlay. It's some kind of a nice, really decorative inset. Crown molding, fans, sliders. But I'm also thinking about this house having somewhat of a different vibe too. You know, maybe going Scandinavian again or contemporary or farmhouse. So many things you could do with this house. It's so versatile. Host family parties, lots of living area, great counter space, lots of it. Good cabinet space, breakfast nook. I mean, I love this open feel. Just amazing vibe. The way they had this dining room positioned in this open area, it's just amazing. Like a picture, a lot of really great family holiday parties here. Lots of glass, window, light, but yet you're just so secluded in the woods. So here in the upper level, I mean, you've got 4 generously sized bedrooms, great closet space, and these oak floors are gorgeous and they're throughout this entire level. So here I am in the primary. 2 large closets, nice walk-in, full bathroom behind me, all tiled, and it just overlooks the pool out here in this bathroom. It's really beautiful. Oak floors are gorgeous. So I mentioned earlier about being in my private oasis. Well, now I'm in my private oasis, and I'm sitting out here in my gazebo, and I'm doing my daily affirmations, and I'm just reminding myself of all the things that I have to be grateful about in my life. You know, I got that pool in the background, which isn't bad either. It's just such beautiful, what a beautiful backdrop, and what a beautiful place and serene and tranquil spot to have my morning coffee. Hey, so thank you for coming on this tour with me at 571 Wheeler Road in Monroe. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, you got this beautiful backdrop here, this magnificent colonial, this gorgeous pool, 2+ acres of land. And if you want a private showing or a tour, please give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529, or you can email me at j@jcannone.com. Once again, thank you for coming on this tour and have a great rest of your day.